Crest Industries presents Simplified Bumper Repair II with Jet Black and Code Blue. It's all about speed with the fastest, strongest, most durable and simple procedure ever for repairing plastic bumpers. This flexible BMW Z4 E85 rear cover lists for $549 from the dealer and will be the subject of our repair. It is manufactured with PP EPDM, which is a very waxy, greasy, flexible plastic that does not sand well. It can be difficult to repair. Crest uses the same simple system for all flexible plastics. It is critical to clean the bumper prior to sanding to avoid grinding impurities into the plastic. First clean with Crest BPK vinyl plastic cleaner to remove dirt, road film, bugs, and other debris. Wipe with a lint-free rag, turning the rag frequently. Use a second clean rag to wipe dry. Repeat the process on the back side of the bumper as well. Next, clean with Crest ASX Super Solve. This product will remove wax, silicone, grease, road tar, and other solvent-soluble impurities. Make sure to clean the back side of the bumper to remove any residual mold release agent which would adversely affect adhesion if sanded into the plastic. To restore the shape of the bumper, a heat gun may be necessary. We will use an air grinder and 36 grit trim cut disc at slow speed to taper, bevel, and contour the repair area. This will increase the surface area for the adhesive. Any melted or smeared plastic will be removed with a DA sander later in the process. A Dremel tool with a cone-shaped cutting bit is used to enlarge the damage, to relieve binding and stress points. This also creates a passageway for the adhesive to flow to the back side of the bumper. Sand the repair area with a DA sander and 80 grit sandpaper to remove any melted or smeared plastic and prepare the surface for the adhesive. The Dremel tool works well to remove any flashing from the damaged area on the back side of the repair. Once this is removed, we sand with the DA and 80 grit sandpaper. Some hand sanding may be desirable to remove any shiny spots and complete the preparations. Using the Dremel tool, drill 1/8 inch pinning holes around the perimeter of the repair to create a plastic rivet mechanical bond. A final hand sanding will remove any residual flashing from the pinning holes. Use clean compressed air to remove sanding residue. Flame treating with a propane torch is the key to achieving maximum adhesion. Simply touch the surface of the plastic with the blue flame to increase the surface energy and provide improved wettability for the adhesive. It is not necessary or desirable to heat the plastic. Simply touching it with the flame is all that is required. Make sure you flame treat both the front and back side. Apply Crest RPT paper tape to the back side of the repair. Firmly press the tape around the outer perimeter only to allow adhesive to flow through the pinning holes and form a backer for support. For the combination of speed, structural strength, and adhesion, we will use Crest Jet Black. We bonded two plastic spreaders together with Jet Black, and as you can see, it is virtually impossible to tear them apart. To prepare Jet Black for dispensing, use a screwdriver to snap the end cap from the cartridge. Install the cartridge into the Crest GTSU applicator gun and dispense enough material to equalize the flow from both sides of the cartridge. Next, install the mixing nozzle and dispense a short test bead to ensure proper mixing. We are now ready to apply Jet Black to the bumper. Inject Jet Black directly into the pinning holes. Jet Black will flow through the holes to the back side to form a backing to anchor and strengthen the structure of the repair. Jet Black sets in 1 1/2 minutes, so work quickly and finish the application with a plastic spreader. After 10 minutes, the tape may be removed from the back side and Jet Black may be sanded with a DA sander and 80 grit sandpaper. Since we have sanded off the flame surface, we will repeat the flaming procedure before applying Crest Code Blue. Code Blue is a flexible finishing epoxy formulated with special adhesion additives to resist lifting at the feather edge. It flows after it is applied to eliminate pinholes and sands easily in 30 minutes. Sand with 80 grit sandpaper first to achieve the desired contour. Finish with 180 grit. Some final hand sanding may be desirable. Use clean compressed air to remove sanding residue. Prime with Crest High Build Flexible Primer. This is a high solids primer, so shake well before applying. This bumper is now ready for final prep and paint. Request a free catalog of our extensive line of automotive repair products by calling our toll-free number 1-800-822-4100 or visit our website at crestauto.com.